how you can upload PDF in your Gemini AI. Now, most of you may already know that Gemini AI is one of the most powerful and uprising AI tool, and you can use it just as you use ChatGPT, and it's by Google, so there are much more features too. So I'll teach you guys how you can upload a PDF. But before that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's start. First things first, as you can see right here, there is an upload image option only. There is no upload PDF or files option, so you cannot directly upload it. Let me show you guys. If I just try and drop this right here, as you can see, it says file type not supported. So you cannot just drag and drop PDF here, but there is a trick which I'll teach you guys. That is, you need to upload it on your Drive. The account that you have used for your Gemini, you need to log into its Google Drive and upload the PDF on that. And after you do that, what you'll first need to do is go to your Gemini settings, and under settings, go to extensions. Now under extensions, make sure that you've toggled this Google Workspace on. And after you've done that, just go ahead and open the new chat. So what you'll need to type in right here is just go ahead and type in @ and after you type in just select Google Drive, or you can directly write Google Drive too, and just type in summarize the PDF and just give its name right here. And after you do that, hit enter and let Gemini do its magic. As you can see right there, it's accessing the documents, and there you go. So here it has already summarized my PDF, and that's how you can upload PDF. Now you can manipulate this text right here up to your liking. So yeah, that is pretty much it for the video. That is how you upload PDF on your Gemini AI. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Take care. Bye bye.